Welcome to my channel. My name is Femi Akinwale. I'm a chartered accountant. I've worked in insurance and finance for more than 25 years. Today, we shall be discussing about US investments from Nigeria, the stocks you can invest in, and the exchange trade funds stocks you can invest in. So, but before we move straight to the business we have for today, if you are just seeing my channel for the first time, I want you to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, like this video so that you will be able to share it to so many people. At the same time, open up the bell notification so that when I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. So quickly, 7 US stocks and ETF to buy. To buy now in 2025. Best investment for growth and passive income. But before we go to the depth of these topics today, but I want to tell you why you should be able to invest. Consider investment in US stock and ETF on your portfolio. Number one, hedge against Naira devaluation. Naira is being devalued on a daily basis. So when you invest in stable currency, you have really creating wealth, and then you have stabilization in your investment. Not like when you have it in Naira alone, when the Naira falls down, your investment also go down. But when you invested in a stable currency, you can be rest assured that you hedge against inflation. The second one is access to global brands and innovation. So you are buying global companies like Apple, like Tesla, like Amazon, like Microsoft. These are big companies. If you invest in dollars, you are buying this kind of investment, and then you create real wealth for yourself. The next one reason why you should buy US stock and US ETF is long-term dollar growth. The US stock market has historically delivered 8 to 10% growth rate and return over time. So you are not only saving, but at the same time, you are growing your wealth in dollars. Then another one why you should invest in foreign stocks is diversification outside Nigeria. You diversify outside Nigeria to guide against political and economic risk in Nigeria. And if you invest in the like of S&P 500 or Nasdaq 100, give you instant diversification into hundreds of companies in the United States of America. Then the next reason why you should invest in dollar is an opportunity that easy access with low capital. Easy access with low capital. Thank God with these new applications that is available now. You can invest as little as $10. You can invest as little as $5. For example, on Bamboo, if you can register for free on Bamboo, you can swap your naira to dollar. Likewise on Optimus, likewise on Trove. So all these three applications, I think I use Bamboo and Optimus very well. They are very easy to operate, very user friendly. I will leave the description, the link on how to register for Bamboo, at the same time how to register for Optimus on the description of this video. So you can quickly register for free and take position of this kind of stocks. Then the same thing, why you must invest in US stock is the passive income potentials. Dividends are being paid on a regular quarterly, monthly basis, and you have in dollars. You have in stable currency. That is what we are saying. You have passive income. Look at the exchange rate now. $1,000 is equivalent to 1.5 million naira. That's what we are talking about. So if you invest in dollar, you gain capital appreciation at the same time. Exchange gain. You have exchange gain. So it's very easy to operate. Then build global wealth and financial freedom. When you invest in stock, you are creating wealth, real wealth for yourself. Real wealth for yourself. These are the reasons why you should consider investing in US stocks or US exchange traded funds. Quickly, let us go straight by mentioning these 7 stocks in US that you can invest, either in US or you are living in Nigeria, you can invest on through this application that we have mentioned. Number one is NVIDIA, and also symbolized as NVDA. Current price is $113.95. These are the current price of NVIDIA. NVIDIA is dominating the AI space from GPU to data centers. Demand for all AI chips, sky, and NVIDIA is the leading in charge of this area, AI space. So NVIDIA You know, AI is the thing now that is operating in the world. So Nvidia have take position, and they have, they have large market in this kind of regards. Then the next one, which is number 2, is Apple. Apple. Apple, the current price of Apple is $198.49. Apple is among the largest company in the world with a broad portfolio of who is one of the company I want you to consider, and they have been regular in their dividend payments on the quarterly basis. So Apple is one of the company you should be able to consider. The next, this is Microsoft for you. They have been existent in the technology sectors of the US economy and world and in the world. Most of the company use their products for their operation. So Microsoft has been existent, and they have been regular in their capital appreciation, at the same time, growth, at the same time in their payment of dividends. So it's a very big companies that are being existent in the market and the technological sector of the economy in US. So it's a growth machine with massive enterprises present and reliable revenue. They have been having reliable revenue for years. And then the number 4 is Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly and Company, which is also specialized at LLY. These are companies that are, they are specializing in drugs like immunology, like cardio metabolic and cancer. They are very, they are specialized in weight loss drugs. At the same time, at diabetes, so their product has been assisted and they are embraced. They been they embraced by everybody. So this kind of company is one of the company I want you to look at it in the year 2025 and scale high. At the end of the year, you come and thank me. The prices are going down because of this Trump tariff structure, which he has subsidized. So the price went down, but it has been growing up now. So you can take position right away and buy this kind of product. LLY is one of the drug company that is the largest drug company in the world. The next one, which is number 5, is Alphabet, which is also known as Google. Alphabet is also known as Google, is the owner of Google, is the owner of YouTube. So they are being existent for that, and they make most of their revenue from advertisement, and their search engine. So it's a very good company that you can quickly take position and make money. And the current price of Alphabet is $158.80. $158.80. So I want you to look at that company and make a lot of money through them. So they make money through the advertising, reborn of strong cloud businesses, and AI innovation, YouTube search. Sorry. So these are the companies. So the number 6 one is Meta Platform, also known as Facebook. Meta is the owner of Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. So these are largest, media media platform in the world. So it's a very good one. Facebook Meta pay dividend on a regular basis, on a quarterly basis. So it's one of the companies that I want you to look at, which is number 6. Then the 7th one is JP Morgan Chase, also designated as JPM. The current price of Meta, Facebook, is $585.97. While the current price of JP Morgan Chase, the current price is $235. Take position now. I enjoy their dividend payment at the same time their capital growth. Then we move to ETF, exchange traded fund. What is ETF? ETF is just a basket of commodity securities. Come and buy together in the like of, if you are buying an investment like S&P 500, you are buying up to 500 companies. You are buying stakes in almost 500 companies. So when you buy that kind of basket, you are on a single space. That means you have a stake in those companies. That is exchange traded funds for you. So that it's like you are buying, instead of buy Apple alone, buy Microsoft, buy Tesla, you can buy ETF, combining all these companies, that have stakes in this kind of a basket of investment. That is what we are talking about. So the first one is QQQ. QQQ is current price is $467.05. These are tracks. These tracks the Nasdaq 100, giving exposure to top technical giants like Apple, like Microsoft, like Nvidia, and Amazon. Perfect for long-term growth. It's a very good ETF that I want you to quickly take position. The price that gave is $467.05. The next one is VOO. VOO, Vanguard S&P 500. Current price is $328.09. Why do you should buy? Why do you have to buy this kind of ETF? This ETF is a simple, low-cost way to invest in the 500 largest US companies. Ideal for anyone who wants steady growth with low volatility. That is what we are talking about. This VOO is one of the third position, is one of the companies that can be tracked. They have track records of growth at the same time track record of dividend payment. So you can quickly, take position in this VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, and make a lot of and create wealth for yourself. Number 3 is SCHD. SCHD is one of the dividend stocks, dividend ETF that you can quickly take position and enjoy regular payment of dividend in dollar. The current price is very low. It's $25.87. So you can quickly take position and make a lot of money in this kind of ETF. Paying stocks, they are great paying stocks. They combine all those companies that pay regular dividend. These are the ETF combined together of all those companies. Great for passive income and long-term wealth. Dividend yield is 3.6%. Then number 4 is VGT, Vanguard Information Technology ETF. Current price is $520. Why you should buy, in this kind of ETF, that is VGT. Give focused exposure to the technology sector ID. If you believe in the long-term wealth growth of companies like Apple, like Visa, like Adobe, this ETF is for you. The 5th one is JEPI, JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF. The current price is $54.16. Why you must invest in JEPI? Because knowing for monthly dividends and lower volatility in their prices. So they have been stable, and they have a dividend yield of 7%. That is what I'm telling you. This particular JEPI is an ETF that needs to be watched this year, 2025. Number 6 is VTI, Vanguard Total Stock Market. VTI, Vanguard Total Stock Market. Current price is $260.82. Give you exposure to the entire US stock market, both for the large, both for the medium, and both for the small companies. Perfect for beginners who want simple and full market exposure. Perfect for beginner. This kind of stock is like, you just invest your money and watch how your money is growing in dollars. Then the last one is MSCI, iShares Core ETF. Current price is $38.67. For international diversification, this ETF is for you. Instead of leaving your investment in US denomination, when you buy this kind of ETF, you are investing in company in China, you are investing in companies in India, you are investing in company in Brazil. So it makes you to spread your tentacles across international markets. So how do you go about this investment? How do we go about this investment? It's very easy. It's just to register. You need broker to do all this kind of investment. So you can do that online, especially from Nigeria. You can do that online. You can register for free on Bamboo. You can register for free on Optimus. You can register for free on Truth. All these allow you to swap your naira to dollar and invest in any one you like. In this kind of investment, we have made mention to you. In this kind of stocks and ETF, we have made mention. I myself, I use Bamboo a lot, and I use Optimus. I will leave this prescription on how to register on Bamboo for free, how to register on Optimus for free. On the link, I will put it on the description of this video. Thank you for enjoying my video to the end. I want you to just do one thing for me, is to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, like this video so that you will be able to share it to so many people. At the same time, turn on the bell notification. When I'm giving out valuable video like this, you will be among the first person to watch. Thank you for watching this video to the end and for subscribing to my channel. God bless you.